Unbelievable recycling. How old waste tires are turned into oil, fuel, and steel wires in factories. Welcome, everyone. Have you ever thought about what happens to the mountains of old tires we see everywhere? Those tires aren't just waste, they're a treasure trove of hidden energy. Today, we're taking you inside an unbelievable industrial process where old, discarded tires are transformed into oil, fuel, and steel wires. Yes, what you throw away today could power machines and build structures tomorrow. Get ready, because what you're about to see will completely change how you think about waste. Number 11. Innovative applications, tires, and high-tech materials. Recycled tires are increasingly utilized in innovative applications that go beyond oil, steel, and carbon black. Researchers are experimenting with using tire rubber to make materials for playground surfaces, roads, and even sports field shock absorbing cushions. Even the use of recycled tire compounds and advanced composites for automotive parts and 3D printing is the subject of some investigation. This implies that one tire that is thrown away could someday contribute to the development of high-tech devices, safer roads, or better urban infrastructure. Tire recycling has enormous potential beyond fuel and steel, as evidenced by the fact that what was once waste is now a building block for innovation and is influencing the direction of materials research. Number 10. The tire problem, a global challenge. Every year, billions of tires are discarded worldwide. Unlike paper or food waste, tires don't decompose quickly. They can last hundreds of years in landfills. Piles of tires become breeding grounds for mosquitoes and pests, and when they catch fire, the toxic smoke pollutes the air for miles. This is a massive environmental problem. Yet, despite this, tires are packed with energy-rich compounds like synthetic rubber, carbon black, and steel. The very thing we see as waste holds the potential to be transformed into fuel, building materials, and other valuable resources. Number 9. Collection and sorting, the first step. Tire collecting is the first step in the journey. Old tires are collected from service facilities, landfills, and junkyards. These tires go through sorting processes in contemporary recycling facilities, where personnel and machines categorize them according to material type, size, and condition. Sorting guarantees that every tire goes into the appropriate recycling stream. For instance, because to their size and metal content, truck tires may be handled differently from automobile tires. Because it maximizes efficiency and guarantees the highest quality final products, oil, fuel, and steel, this phase is essential. Number 8. Shredding, breaking tires into pieces. After being sorted, the tires are shredded by strong industrial shredders into smaller, more manageable bits. Tires can be broken into bits as small as a few centimeters by these machines, which can rip through steel and rubber like paper. The shredding technique removes the rubber from embedded steel wires and fabric fibers, in addition to reducing size. To ensure that each material is treated independently, factories frequently utilize magnetic separators to remove steel. Observing enormous tires disappear beneath a shredder's teeth is akin to witnessing a contemporary industrial marvel in progress. Number 7. Pyrolysis, the magical transformation. This is where science shines. Tire shreds are fed into pyrolysis reactors, which are enormous, oxygen-free furnaces that are heated to extremely high temperatures. Rubber doesn't burn in the absence of oxygen. Instead, it chemically disintegrates into smaller molecules. Carbon residue, liquid tire oil, and flammable gas are the products of this process. The regulated chemical process of pyrolysis, which transforms trash into products rich in energy with little pollution, makes it an intriguing process. In essence, we are releasing energy that has been imprisoned in rubber waste. Number 6. Collecting tire oil, liquid gold from waste. A dark, viscous liquid known as tire oil is created when the gas is produced during pyrolysis condense. Heating systems, generators, and industrial machines can all be powered by this refined oil, which resembles diesel. To put that in perspective, about 400 liters of oil may be produced from 1 ton of tires. This implies that an entire factory might be powered by the energy produced by a pile of old tires. In addition to being sustainable and energy efficient, the procedure turns a worthless risk into a useful product. Number 5. Steel wires, from tires to reinforcement material. Steel wires that offer structural strength are embedded in tires. These wires are removed during pyrolysis or shredding. After that, they are cleaned, straightened, and occasionally chopped to the necessary lengths. The recycled steel can be utilized to make new tires, machinery, or construction projects, or it can be sold to steel producers. The amazing thing is that steel, which was going to end up in a landfill after being covered in rubber, comes back to life as a robust, functional substance. It is an ideal illustration of a circular economy. Number 4. Carbon black, a versatile byproduct. A solid residue known as carbon black is left over after oil is extracted. New tires, paints, inks, rubber goods, and even batteries are made from carbon black, a very adaptable substance. Recovered from used tires, it is practically pure carbon and is crucial to many different sectors. Nothing is really wasted when tires are recycled in this way. Steel is repurposed, rubber is turned into oil, and carbon black is given new life in a variety of products. Number 3. Environmental impact, reducing pollution. Tire recycling has a massive positive impact on the environment. It prevents mountains of waste from filling landfills, reduces the risk of toxic tire fires, and decreases reliance on fossil fuels. Traditional tire disposal creates methane emissions and soil contamination, but pyrolysis converts tires into valuable materials safely and cleanly. Factories turning waste into energy are not just innovating, they're actively helping combat global pollution and contributing to a greener future. Number 2. The economics profitable recycling. Recycling tires is profitable as well as environmentally beneficial. The created carbon black, steel, and oil can be sold to other businesses, resulting in consistent earnings. Some facilities even sell the extra energy they produce during pyrolysis back to the grid. This demonstrates that financial gain and environmental responsibility can coexist, making tire recycling a viable business model. Tires are increasingly viewed as a valuable resource by industries that formerly considered them to be an expensive waste problem. Number 1. The future expanding tire recycling. Tire recycling is growing more popular, scalable, and efficient thanks to technological developments. Researchers are working on ways to purify carbon black, increase oil yield, and use recycled tire oil into renewable energy systems. Tire recycling facilities could soon be commonplace in every community, converting all used tires into raw materials, fuel, and electricity. Tire recycling could become a key component of a sustainable industry as a result of this innovation, which could drastically cut waste worldwide. So if you loved this behind-the-scenes look at industrial recycling, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing science and industrial transformations.